Hey guys, you're on board with Jaxon Evans for a lap from the driver's eye at Fuji Speedway in the number 15 Audi R8 LMS Evo 2 for Phantom Global Racing. Obviously super long straight here at Fuji, so really important to look for that brake marker at turn 1, sort of aiming for the 120 mark. Really hard brake back down to first gear, making sure we get to that curb on the inside. Can get pretty loose on the exit there, but important run down to turn 3, which is a very fast corner here. In the Audi, we stay 4th gear, really trying to maximize that inside curb. Really important not to run too wide as there's track limits violations there, and then probably one of the best corners. A long double right here, really hard to keep the car on the edge and the mid-corner speed up. Again, focusing on the brake, getting down to the apex here at turn 6 before another long run down to the chicane. A little bit tricky as the tyre starts to go away. Don't want to run too wide as there's track limits violations. A really hard brake once again at the Dunlop bridge here, back down to first gear. Really good passing spot, trying to maximize that inside curb, open up the left here. Again, driving it off nice and hard, use all the track. Probably one of the hardest last sectors that we go to, all about flow here, using all the track, trying to keep that minimum corner speed up. Back to second gear for turn 15. Really important to get that inside curb, help pull the car around, watch the track limits on the exit. And then the last corner, really wide entry. We try and open up as much as we can so that when we do get back to the throttle, it's a nice square exit and we can maximize that speed down the front straight. As I said, it's very long, sets up some really good passing opportunities down at turn 1. So hopefully you enjoyed a lap on board with me in the Audi R8, and thanks for tuning in.